truth can change. Now, this goes against things that I've said before, because normally I say, there's fact, there's fiction, the truth is the only thing that matters. And yet, I've learned this week that truth can change. You see, I attended a quite outstanding course for speakers, coaches, trainers, consultants, people in the learning and development industry by Dr. Linda Shaw. She's clever. She's a neuroscientist, and she ran this course from the sponsored and approved by the British Psychological Society. And one of the tiny little part of this was teaching us around what's true and what's not true in current neuroscience thinking. One of the things she said jaw dropped me, because she said people talk about the gut versus the brain. People make logical decisions or they follow their gut-based decisions. If you've heard the expression, I follow my gut, my intuition. It's a gut feeling. People say, no, logic. Well, actually, people used to believe that it was all about logic. I interviewed 258 top achievers. Many of them said, I follow my gut instinct. Only later, for me to determine for myself, even though it wasn't proper clinical, scientific or academic research, just based upon what I was seeing and hearing, is that many top achievers say they follow their instincts, their gut feeling, their intuition. Only then, once they've sort of looked into it, researched it, do they then make a logic, brain-based decision to do it or not. They follow their gut instinct in the first place and then approve of it in a logical environment and setting. Does that make sense? Well, here we go. Dr. Linda Shaw was saying bang up-to-date research suggests that there are in excess of 100 million neurons in our gut. Neurons, that's a brain thing. What are they doing down there? She actually went on to say that more messages are sent from the gut to the brain than the other way around. Doesn't this, surely in some way, totally back up what I was saying in the top achievers? You see, they follow their gut to decide whether or not they should look into something, and then follow their logical brain to determine if it's right and perfect for them to do or not. So watch this space. I wonder what else is true that we used to think was true, that actually the truth is different. Or in the words of X-Files, maybe the truth is out there. So, what if we consider looking at our goals differently? Instead of setting realistic goals, set massive goals, but listen to your gut feeling, your intuition on things. But instead of only making decisions based upon that, then when you've got a couple of ideas, use your logical brain to actually do the research, go deep and determine whether it's right for you or not. Don't just follow the brain, don't just follow the gut, use both to make better quality decisions. Sounds like a no-brainer to me. See what I did there? I'm so easily pleased. See you soon on another Dave's Desk. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Then click the TV to watch the next video. Oh, and don't forget to visit our website at davidhyner.com to claim your free audiobook. Until the next time, go Rhino. Avenir.